I have not even opened this one, and you're like, okay, John, how are you showing a product that you haven't even opened here with any confidence? And that is because I got two of them. I literally got one of these for my daughter, one for myself. This is the product right here, and it's from ZMI. It is their Turbo 65-watt charger. Now, I'm a road warrior by trade. I'm taking my laptops with me all over the place. This is my Lenovo 730. It's a really solid laptop. It has two USB-C ports and USB Type-C connector. That's those round USBs that don't have a direction. Those are getting really popular for laptop chargers, and this one has that. As well as, I keep it over here, but my MacBook Pro 13-inch, it has 4 of those USB-C ports on it, and it charges that way. Wanted to show you this product and why I think it is so cool. So this is a 5-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. There are your ends right there that you can see. So that's what it is. The charging brick itself, you can see how crazy small this thing is. That's how small it is, and the prongs fold up. So you don't have to worry about the prongs sticking out, stabbing something. And I just want to show you by comparison why I say this thing is so much better. So that's how small this is. I've got my laptop plugged in right now. This is my Lenovo charging brick. Now, hopefully you guys can see it is barely half the size. So if you're a road warrior, you're going on the road, you need a USB-C charger, maybe you need a laptop charger. This thing is both. It's got power delivery, the power delivery standard. So I plug in that other side of the USB-C. It's 5 feet. So that's the one drawback, is it's not going to be 12 feet long or whatever, but it's really, really portable. You can tuck this cord away. You can use it with other devices. There's your little power connector. I'll plug it in real quick. I plug this over into my laptop. I'm good to go. Now, just for giggles, I wanted to show you the difference of what size difference makes here. This is my Apple MacBook Pro charger, right? And I just want to show you the difference in size. They beat Apple to the size game. This is 1.97 inches. This is almost 3. This one's got a bunch of cord that I have to wrap up that's inconvenient, and it doesn't plug into my cell phone. This one has the cord for my laptop, but I wanted to show you another trick here. If you've got one of those new iPhones that still has the Lightning connector, they're shipping now with the USB-C on this end and no charging brick. This charging brick is now your iPhone charger. So you can do it that way, or in the case of my laptop, I can plug my laptop in and charge it. I plug this cable into my laptop and I charge my phone. So I've got one charger I can take with me when I'm traveling. This is the brick right here. It's $25.99. I haven't seen it go on sale very often. I don't watch this one specifically, but I can tell you the other day my daughter had lost it and was freaking out. I had the other one sitting in here that was not yet unboxed. You guys just saw the unboxing. And so I saved it for her just in case. But I really am excited to use this thing every day for traveling. She finally did find hers. That was a great piece of news. So this one for $25.99, it's not an OEM charger. OEM chargers are going to be Apple. You're going to charge you $100. You're paying the Apple tax. You know, who knows what they are, you know. But I have not found anything negative about this. I've used it with my MacBook Pro. I've used it with my Lenovo. Used it with other devices that take USB-C input, headphones, whatnot. Works really, really well. Again, there's that real compact that it's talking about. It does have, you look at the star rating. Now, I don't know what I'm specifically allowed to tell you about the star rating, but I use a tool called FakeSpot. And you might have, if you follow my channel, you've seen it. I use it religiously because ratings can be faked. This one has over 3,300 ratings, and it's got a great FakeSpot score. So I think it's at least B or A or better. I don't show it on my live streams here, but it's got a really good FakeSpot rating, which is another thing that I specifically trust. So again, very, very compact. It in the box is smaller than an than an Apple charger, and comes with about a 5-foot USB-C cord right here. So